Hello guys, welcome back. In this lecture, we'll be exploring the if, and else statements in C#. These statements allow us to make decisions and control the flow of our application based on different conditions. These decisions are similar to the decisions we make in our daily lives. For instance, when we step outside, we select our clothing based on the weather conditions. Now imagine if it's raining. In such cases, our automatic response is to grab an umbrella, as if our mind has a built-in code for it. But what if the weather is not rainy? Let's consider it's sunny, so we probably won't need an umbrella. In this case, we can enjoy a pleasant walk without any worries. But what about snowy weather? In such conditions, we choose to wear warm clothes when we go outside. Alright, in the world of programming, we frequently encounter such decisions, and it's crucial to make accurate choices at different stages of our application. Now, let's talk more about these statements in C#. The if statement is a fundamental part of programming. It allows us to execute a block of code if a specified condition is true. In this example, we check if the variable age is greater than or equal to 18. If the condition is true, the code inside the if block will be executed. The if-else statement extends the if statement by offering an alternative block of code to execute when the condition is false. In this example, if the variable temperature is greater than 30, the code inside the if block will be executed. Otherwise, if the condition is false, the code inside the else block will be executed. Okay, the else if statement allows us to test multiple conditions sequentially. It offers flexibility in handling different scenarios. For example, here, we evaluate the variable score against multiple conditions. Depending on the score, different messages will be displayed. As you can see, we have the flexibility to handle a wide range of scenarios by adding as many conditions as needed. Alright, let's dive into VS Code to show you some examples. Okay, we've implemented the previous scenario. Here, we have a variable is raining with a value of false and is snowing with a value of true. Let's run the application to see what happens. Okay, since it's snowing is true, the condition evaluates to true. And because of that, the code inside the else if block was executed. You should know that comparing is raining to true is redundant because is raining is already a boolean value. Here, it's implicitly understood that the condition is being evaluated as a boolean expression. The key is that the expression in the if statement must evaluate to a boolean value. This expression can be a logical expression, like is raining or is snowing, or is raining and is snowing. If the expression evaluates to true, the code inside the if block will be executed. Okay, now let's show you another example. Here, we have two variables, age with a value of 25 and is a student with a boolean value of true. Then, we use the if statement to check if the age is greater than or equal to 18. Since 25 is greater than 18, the condition evaluates to true, and the code inside the if block will be executed. Next, we have another nested if statement. It checks if the student is true. In this case, if the student is indeed true, so the condition evaluates to true and the code inside the nested if block will be executed. Now, let's run the application to see the result. As you can see, we get the expected result. Okay, what if we change the value of its student to false? In this case, since 25 is greater than 18, the condition evaluates to true, and the code inside this block will be executed. But this time, in the nested if statement, this condition is false, so the code inside the else block will be executed. Let's run the application once more. As you can see, we get the expected result. Alright, let's change the value of age to 15 and is a student to true. This time, since 15 is less than 18, the condition evaluates to false, so the program jumps to the else block and executes the else block code. To confirm that, let's run the application. As you can see, we get the expected result. Okay, done. See you in the next lecture.